Scottsdale's desert climate is known for its abundant sunshine and scorching summer temperatures. While the warm weather is appealing, it also brings high energy bills as homeowners work to keep their interiors cool. One often overlooked factor in managing these costs is the quality of your home's doors. Energy-efficient doors not only enhance comfort but also play a crucial role in reducing cooling expenses in Scottsdale homes. The importance of energy-efficient doors in desert climates. In areas like Scottsdale, doors do more than just provide entry and security. They act as barriers against extreme outdoor conditions. Traditional doors often have gaps, poor insulation, or outdated materials that allow hot air to seep in and conditioned air to escape. This forces air conditioning systems to work harder, raising both energy usage and monthly utility bills. Energy-efficient doors, on the other hand, are designed with advanced materials and technologies that provide superior insulation. By minimizing heat transfer, these doors help maintain steady indoor temperatures even on the hottest days. Features that make doors energy efficient. When considering a new door for your Scottsdale home, it's essential to know what features make the biggest difference in efficiency. Insulated cores. Many energy-efficient doors have foam-filled cores that prevent heat from passing through. Low-E glass panels. If your door has glass inserts, choosing low-E, low emissivity coatings reduces heat gain while still allowing natural light. Weather stripping. Properly fitted weather stripping seals gaps, preventing drafts and air leakage. Durable materials. Fiberglass and steel doors are often more energy efficient than older wooden models because they resist warping and provide stronger insulation. These features combine to create a door that not only looks stylish but also saves energy year after year. How energy-efficient doors reduce cooling costs. The biggest benefit of upgrading to energy-efficient doors is the reduction in energy bills. In Scottsdale, where air conditioning can be a necessity for most of the year, these savings quickly add up. By keeping cool air inside and blocking heat from entering, efficient doors reduce strain on your HVAC system. This means your system doesn't need to cycle as often, which not only lowers utility bills but also extends the lifespan of your equipment. Many homeowners see a noticeable decrease in their monthly cooling costs after making the switch. Added comfort and home value. Beyond energy savings, efficient doors also improve overall comfort. You'll notice fewer drafts, more consistent indoor temperatures, and quieter interiors thanks to their insulating properties. Additionally, energy efficiency is a selling point in today's real estate market. Scottsdale buyers are increasingly looking for homes with sustainable, cost-saving features. Installing energy-efficient doors can boost your property's resale value and appeal. Choosing the right energy-efficient door for Scottsdale. When selecting a door for your home, consider Scottsdale's climate and your home's architectural style. Fiberglass doors are an excellent choice for the desert, as they resist warping from heat while offering a wide range of design options. Steel doors provide durability and insulation but may get hot to the touch under direct sun unless properly treated. It's also important to work with a professional installer. Even the most energy-efficient door won't perform well if it isn't fitted correctly. Expert installation ensures proper sealing and alignment for maximum performance. Final thoughts. Energy-efficient doors are more than just a stylish upgrade, they're a smart investment for Scottsdale homeowners. By improving insulation, reducing cooling costs, and enhancing comfort, these doors can transform the way your home handles desert heat. If you're ready to reduce energy bills and enjoy a more comfortable living space, consider replacing outdated doors with modern, energy-efficient options. With the right choice and professional installation, your Scottsdale home can stay cooler, cost less to maintain, and increase in value.